Hello, my beautiful butterflies. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today's video, I will be unboxing with you my Big Into Energy Labubu set. So if you're interested in Labubus or bag charms or little collectibles, you might enjoy this. So I was able to score this straight off the PartMart website, which is sometimes difficult to do. But I'm up in the middle of the night, so that helps. These little Labubus sell out so quickly. You just got to be right there when they launch and hit that button so fast and check out. That's how you have to do it, y'all. But anyway, I was able to score this full box of the Big Into Energy series. And in this set, you'll get 6 beautiful colored Labubus. We have loyalty, hope, love, luck, happiness, and serenity. Now, there is a 1 in 72 chance that you could get the secret, which is called ID, and they would just take one of the 6 out of the box and replace it with the secret. So let's just get into the box. As you can see, it is nicely sealed in plastic wrap. And so this series was released on April 25th, 2025. And each one of the Labubus are 17 centimeters or 6.69 inches for reference. And this full set cost me $167.94. Or you can purchase a single blind box for $27.99. I prefer buying the entire box, especially if you're going to want the entire collection. Otherwise, you risk getting duplicates because you don't know what you're buying until you've already paid for it. And then you can unbox it online if you choose to. And because these are blind boxes, of course, there's no returns or exchanges unless there's some type of defect. So, here we go, guys. Here's the first box right here. Look at all those colorful Labubus on the side there with that secret grayed out. I wonder if I'm going to get the secret this time. I got it in my Have the Seat collection. So let's see what happens with this one. Here's just a standard box, and you have that serial number that you can check right there with Pop Mark for authenticity. So let's jump right into opening this first box. And as you can see, it has a pull tab to open the box. And these boxes have the new drawstring bag, which I don't know. I think I kind of prefer the old bags that were sealed that you would just tear open. I think it's the excitement of that instead of just trying to open a knot off of a bag. But anyway, here we go. And my first one here is this beautiful pink one in Hope. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Look at that beautiful pink on pink tie-dye. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So that's Hope. So let's move on to the second one. But what I love about these Labubus is that the tie-dye color coordinates all over the Labubu. So you have the 2 different colors on the ears. You have the eyes, they're sparkly with those colors. And the nose and one of the teeth has the matching color. And then the toenails are painted. So cute. So this second one I have here. Ooh, this is so cute too. And green is my favorite color. Look at that light and dark mixture of green on this one. And I just love how soft it feels. And this one is called Serenity. Look at Serenity, y'all. She real cute. I really like her. So there's her card right there. Okay, so let me grab the third box here and see what we have in this one. And so for me, y'all, I had to pick up this collection because it was all about energy. And I'm one of those girls that I love good energy. Now, if you got bad energy, just stay on away from me. Don't come to this channel either because I'm all about the positive vibes. So here we are with this beautiful peachy tone one here called Happiness. And look at Happiness, y'all. She's making me happy. Look at that. The color on these are just so vibrant and pretty. I love that. And so there's Happiness little card right there. Okay, y'all, so let's keep this going with the fourth box right here. And let's see what we have inside of this one. Still no secrets yet. So I don't know how that's going to go for me. Wait a minute now. This bag is dark. Could it be the secret in there? Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm getting excited. Let's open it up and see. Secret, secret, secret. No, unfortunately, it's not. It's the blue one, y'all. But the blue one is gorgeous too. Look at this one. Oh, so vibrant and pretty. I love the two different blues on there. Oh, that's so cute. So, this one is Hope, and there's Hope in Hope's card. Okay, so moving right along to the fifth box here. So let's see what's inside of this one. I do want to ask you guys, do any of you out there have Labubus or collect Labubus? Either leave me a comment or hit the like button. That way I'll know what your answer is. But I'm just curious to know. I got into collecting Labubus from my grandkids. Look at this one, y'all. Oh my gosh, she's stunning. Oh, this is pink lemonade right here. Look at her with that yellow and pink. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And this is Loyalty. Okay, guys, so we have arrived to the last box. This is the sixth box here. So we shall see. Is there the secret in there? Or will it be luck, which is the purple one right here? So let's see what's inside, you guys. What do you think it is? Secret, secret. I can already see you guys from the bag. It looks purple. I can see sort of through it. So I'm pretty sure this is luck. And yes, it's luck, you guys. But she's gorgeous. Look at that purple on purple tie-dye. The color on these are just so pretty. And look at her little purple toenails right there. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And then you have the two different color purple ears right there. So cute. There's luck in her card. So that's it, guys. Here is an overview of all of my beautiful Labubus I unboxed with you today. I can't wait to dress these up and put them on my bags. They're so cute. Don't forget to tell me down below if you own any Labubus. Out of the three collections that I have to tell you, this one is my favorite collection. Big into energy. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.